managed to grab this Uncle Mermaid figure. Sorry, man, I ripped into it, man. Uncle Mermaid figure, blind box, at the Singapore Comic Con. And I've seen his booth, I've covered his booth. This will be the third or fourth time, I'm not really sure. But I've never been able to grab the blind boxes because they're always sold out. My habit have been, always on day one I'll do coverage, but I'll only pick up toys on day two, second day of the convention. And that always leaves me with empty hands sometimes because things get picked up. But for this year, I decided to switch it up a little bit. So I covered a bit and I collected some toys. But this I bought on day two because thank goodness they brought more this time around. And this is, to me, one of the most affordable blind boxes in the entirety of Singapore Comic Con. It's 10 bucks Sing dollars, so which is cool. So these are the 4 figures that you will pull. Each of them have a signage thingy. I'll see. In my unboxing, I took out the figure itself. Let me see the figure. This is the dude that lies on his side. I don't know if you can see here. Mr. Mermaid lies on himself. Can it sit? Can it sit? No, not really. Lies on his side, and it comes with this pouch. And I mentioned to you before, this is the signage that comes with the figure set, which I think is fun. And it's like sort of a little interactivity thingy with the card, I mean with the toy. So it has a stand, it has a clip, and these are like let's see what they are. I think this is pretty fun to a degree. So it's like, imagine word balloons or the description of what he's doing. So this is him with a cushion, I think, taking a hot beverage. Oh, tired, batteries run out. Angry at someone. This is fun, let's put it aside. What is this? Snacks. Gold snacks, I'll put it as snacks. Tabuki. Yay, Tabuki. Oh, this is another sign. This is the back of it. Has a little icon, the Handsome Studio icon. Okay. Okay, so let's do it. So what you're supposed to do is clip onto this, right? And you have a sign that says okay, or whatever image you want to take from here, and the dude just sleeps here lah. Come, let's put it here. So he's okay. Yeah, he's okay. Interesting. These are the, so it's like you have a blind pool of the figure itself, and also blind pool of the signs, the random cards that's part of the set, and these are the entirety of the cards. So it's like double blind box. I thought that was interesting. Would have loved the one with the soju though. Is it part of the set? No, it doesn't seem as if 4 figures here, so no, it's not. But cool. Nevertheless, awesome. And yeah, and now let's just end this video right now. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.